So this card, I am going to use the adorable owls because why? How could you not? They are so stinking cute. So we've got the adorable owls. I did pull out the, what are these called? Something Fancy dies. And so I'm going to use one of the labels, tags, whatever you want to call this, from this set. So this is fun. This is the largest one of this. So we're using that. I'm also going to use this little edge piece out of the Desert Details dies. Now we have other dies that have edge pieces in them. This is just a new one, so I wanted to share it with you. So it's an edge border kind of piece. It's actually really fun. All right, so I have my pieces of cardstock cut. This is a really simple card. It's a standard layout. It's a piece of cardstock with a piece of designer series paper with a border to separate the piece of designer series paper from the layer, whether you use ribbon or a piece of cardstock or something like this. That's kind of fun. Separate that out. We're using the Dandy Designs designer series paper. This is a free item that you can choose with your $100 order during celebration. And I'm trying to find my cheater thing so I can show you all the patterns. Aha, found it. So this is the paper. Free with a $100 purchase. It is 12 by 12 sheets and you get 48 of them in the package. The package is huge, so really exciting. Got that. We have our cute little owl with the birthday hat on. So let me, oh my, okay, we're going to add our little friend right. Where's my sample? This is the swap card that well, actually my daughter designed this for me while she was here at Thanksgiving because I have had these products since Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, that is like the worst stamping job in the history of ever. Pay attention, Barb. Okay, start again. This is the wrong side of the tag, but it's going to be fine. See, I should have cut 2 tags. If I would have cut 2 tags, I wouldn't have screwed that up. Okay. So we have a little phrase from the stamp set, the owl set, that says, "My friend." So I'm going to stamp that down here at the bottom. Hopefully it's going to be straight and centered. There it is. Trish said it wasn't that bad. You're very nice, Trish. I thought it was horrendous. Okay. Only because I can do better. That's the biggest thing. I know that I can stamp better. And so when I'm stamping, I do try to do my best work, and so that's why I redid that, because I knew that I could stamp that better, because that was bad. All right, this has a tiny little edge on it that I'm going to cut off because my designer series paper is not quite as long as my layer. So this is a tiny little trimmer that Stampin' Up! Did offer a couple of years ago, free to people that joined Stampin' Up! They don't sell it or anything, but I believe I have it linked in the description of this video. If you guys are interested in a little mini photo trimmer like this, it's really handy. I keep it right here on my desk. It never leaves. So I always have a very small, now of course it doesn't cut like, a full sheet of paper in half, which that's fine. I just use it to cut smaller pieces and it's just amazing. And I love it. And you can get it in from Amazon. And I do have that linked below. Okay. So then this little guy is going to be my kind of divider piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw a little bit of glue across that. And I'm going to put it right up against the edge of the designer series paper. So while that's kind of drying, I'm going to bring in some Stampin' Blends and I'm going to color this. So I'm using Petal Pink. So I've got the dark Petal Pink that I'm going to use for the kind of top part of the owl's head. And of course, I know owls aren't petal pink. I get that. But you know what? I kind of feel like it's like with flowers. It can be whatever color you need it to be. If you need it to be dark petal pink, by all means, your owl can be dark petal pink. Okay? And then the rest of it's going to be a light petal pink. I actually should have checked this marker before I went live to make sure there was still ink in it, because my daughter did color a lot of owls for me when she did my swaps. I think she did 25 or 30 of them. I didn't need that many, but I do have some extras now that I can use as thank yous for my team. Or I just had a team member, you guys, hit $100,000 in sales. I'm so excited for her. It's amazing. She's been a demonstrator for a while, and I'm just really, really happy for her. So I have a little present that I'm going to be sending her. I'm going to make an announcement on my team page. Hopefully tonight after I get done with my meet and greet. I've got a few things I've got to do, so I'll be up late tonight working. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited for her. So congratulations. I don't want to say who it is just yet, because I do think I have some team members on here, and I want it to be a surprise for them. Some of them probably already know, because we've talked about it in some of our team meetings, that she was getting close. So yeah, she hit that today, so exciting. Okay. On the back of this, I am going to add a little bit of ribbon. This is our fresh freezer ribbon. Oh, that pair of scissors is not sharp. This is also the ribbon that we are including in the kit this month for this owl class. So it goes with this paper really, really well. You do get some of this paper also. Okay, and then I'm going to add that with some dimensionals. Where did they go? I just literally had the big ones sitting here a minute ago, and now I don't know what happened to them. And my ribbon isn't staying down, so I am going to use a dimensional and make it. Oh, that was like 2 dimensionals. Whatever. Okay. So now I'm kind of starting to panic because I got to be live again here pretty soon. And I don't want you guys to not see, the meet and greet, because it's always fun. We always have a good time. So you never know where it's going to go with the 3 of us when we're together. Okay, so we're going to add that like that. We're going to trim off the excess piece here. Laura says she's going to check out that thing. And I do have a bunch of crafty items listed in the description of this video. If you want to see what I actually use, like some business items, some photography items, some stamping items, you can check the link that goes directly to my blog that has a bunch of stuff listed. I do make a tiny commission off that stuff. It's enough to buy, I don't know, like a bag of candy every month or something. And I do promise to eat it while I'm making cards for you guys. Okay, so there is the front of the card. I do want to add a little gem. This is iridescent pastel gems. These are brand new. And I feel like this big one here, I'm just going to stick it right there at the top to cover up his little poofy ball on his birthday hat. Because it looks to me like petal pink. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, then we do have the inside, and this is where I think I had those other things. I'm so happy you were born. Oh, that's the one I just used, isn't it? No, it isn't. This is what I wanted to do, I think. Where is that card I just made? I'm so happy you were born. Life is better with you. Okay, that's what I thought. So that's not what I want to use. I want to use this that says, my friend just wanted to say, and then there's another sentiment around here somewhere. I love that we are friends. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so here's another sentiment. I'm going to put it on a block. I'm going to try to find a block that I can use quickly here. Just wanted to say, okay. So we'll do that in coral. All right, and I can't remember where this came from. I kind of feel like it came from one of the presets. Okay, is it in this? Something fancy? No. Did it come in one of these? Just wanted to say. No. Is it? It's got to be in the celebration one. Where's my celebration brochure? Here it is. I feel like it must be in this other stamp set here. There's a sentiment set in here. Let's just see. Just wanted to say. No. Does anybody know where this came from? I have no idea. Ooh, did it come out of this? The heart thing? Yes. Okay, this is where it came from. It came from this, the country bouquet. Thank you, guys. Jeez Louise. All these brand new things. It's going to take me a little while to get used to what goes with what. So just wanted to say, and then I'm going to say, I love that we are friends. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. So now I'm going to ink up the I Love That We Are Friends in Fresh Freesia. And I'm going to stamp that below. So we're going to spank it dry. And again, we're going to try to make it straight. No guarantees, but I think it worked out. So, okay, so we've got our cute little owl, our fun paper. We've got, my seal is empty now. Well, I guess it's a good thing I've got to go because I don't have any more adhesive. Come on, Seal Plus. You can work. There we go. All right. So if you guys are members of our catalog kickoff group, head over there and just wait. We'll pop up, the three of us. And there it is. So I want to thank you guys again for watching me tonight. I hope you learned some things. Watching me make mistakes is always a good time. I always appreciate your orders at shoppingwithbarb.com if you are so inclined. Thank you again, Patty, for the tip this evening. I appreciate that very much. And the links to all my classes are in the description of this video, along with some other items. And if you have questions or anything like that, feel free to email me, barb@barbstamps.com. I'm happy to help you, and I will see you guys over in the other group. Bye-bye.